Yeah, guys. Yeah, you hear me talk about the weather all the time, man. Yeah, this is what the flooding and some of the erosion has done to one of our roads right here, man. And I'm right here in Florence, Alabama. See all of this already ripped out. And just stay here with me for a minute, because there's two more big old craters here. This one here has been topped off in the past couple of weeks. But you see how large it was, man. And it's still chipped away. All those here, there, and this great big, massive blowout here. Ugh. Over there's a neighborhood Walmart. That's Florence Boulevard, all the way directly north. So guys, be careful when you come down here. The erosion has been tearing up the town with storms. You guys have a safe day.